Hello YouTube, it is REVVL over here. In our channel you will find different videos regarding FRP or Google lock removal on different devices like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, etc. Make sure you subscribe so you will not miss any video. In this video I will show you how you can remove Google Lock from T-Mobile REVVL 6. And this model that I have, it is MediaTek Dimensity processor. So we will unlock it using UnlockTool. So UnlockTool, it is a paid tool, and if you don't want to buy it, you can just rent it for a couple of hours in revvl.company.site, and here is the site. So this is exactly 6 hours rent tool, and also after purchasing you can reach them on email or on WhatsApp. Here you have the WhatsApp contact, the number is also over here, and the email also right over there. Okay, so let's proceed with the steps. I'm doing this remotely because it is a customer's phone, but the process will be very easy for you to do it yourself also. This is the UnlockTool. In order to download it, you need to go to file.unlocktool.net, and there will be a couple of downloads links over here for the UnlockTool. I'm going to choose the mega download one, the second one. Tap on download and run the process. Click on download. Okay. So depending on the internet speed, it might take 1 or 2 minutes to download. The server is pretty fast, so most probably you will not have to wait very long. Okay, so the download is almost finished. Also, one thing that you need to note, maybe you need to disable Defender antivirus, because sometimes the antivirus will not allow it to run. Okay, I'm gonna extract this one and I'm gonna open it. So this is the file. I deleted the old one. Great. So let me open it, and I'm gonna sign in real fast in order to continue with the steps. Once you hit yes, it may take a couple of seconds in order to load depending on the process. I'm gonna speed up the video so you will not need to wait. The video will not be long. Okay, so here we are inside. Like I told you, UnlockTool will support different models like Xiaomi, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, etc. For this model, we're going to go on MediaTek section over here. And on the bottom left, you see an option that says Erase FRP. Great. So in order to proceed right now, you need to power off the device and then keep it unplugged. So when you click Erase FRP, the device should be unplugged and power off, just like the instructions. And after that, you will need to press and hold both volume up and volume down and connect the cable. When you connect the cable, you need to continue holding both volume up and power. So again, first step, disconnect and power off the phone. Second one, press and hold both volume up and volume downs. And the third step, connect the cable while holding these two. If you do it properly and the drivers are properly installed, you will see same thing as me on the right. And at the end over here, as you see, it says erasing FRP. Okay, so the device should start normally by itself, but if it doesn't start normally, you can start it automatically by using the buttons.